You ever heard of Instagram Lite?
Instagram Lite. No.
It's Instagram, but light. It's like
Okay.
Bud Light and Coors Light. But
Refreshing.
Instagram. It's a lightweight version of the app for markets in which data consumption or bandwidth is an issue. It's a trimmed down, remove a couple features. One of those being Reels, for example.
Okay.
Like some of the heavy bandwidth, heavy stuff that's inside the app, so you don't get hit with a fat bill, or so that you don't have a lot of lag within the app. It's going to use a lot less data. Now, this is not available to everyone, but it's the first time I heard about it, so I thought it was noteworthy. Apparently, this is popular in India, where people are very data conscious for, well, a number of reasons, probably speed and cost. And Instagram's been improving it, trying to figure out ways to add features back into the light version in a more lightweight way. And they recently added Reels back to it, which of course is the TikTok competitor. And chances are a good reason for that is because TikTok banned in India anyways. Reels has some huge potential to absorb some of that, as we talked about in the past. But this light version of the app has been really popular. And of course, if it doesn't have Reels there, well, it isn't going to be too hot. So they've been trying to get it back in there for the Instagram app on iOS and Android. Now, you can't create Reels within the Instagram Lite app, but you can watch them. What's going on here, Will? You're smirking.
It's just a weird screenshot that they have here.
Yeah, I agree with that. Maybe we're supposed to know what it is. Is it some sort of a meme? Like she's disappointed and he's dancing? He does have a check mark. I feel like we're supposed to know who he is.
No idea.
He's a funny guy.
Sorry.
Maybe he's a funny guy.
Ricky
I don't know.
Pond.
The app is only 2 megabytes in size and uses a lot less data. A solid option no matter where you are in the world, but it is currently only available in India. But it got me thinking about a light version of many different apps that we like, especially comprehensive ones.
Sure.
YouTube Lite, Facebook Lite. I'm curious what those things would be because I feel they're so far from their original form at this point that some people might be longing for a more simplified experience. It's possible. And also the data savings.